This series is brought to you by Excel Blitz. It will cover Microsoft Excel 2013 Advanced Edition, and I'm your instructor Adnan Ejaz. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use basic mathematical and statistical functions like average, mode, median, and standard deviation. In a typical gradebook, teachers need to calculate average marks obtained by each student in the class. The average function in Excel calculates the arithmetic mean of all the numerical values in any given cell range. So say we wanted to calculate the average marks for Bob. We would write average and then the cell range, which for Bob is B2 to I2. We can then flash fill for all the remaining students. As you can see, Todd did not appear in 2 subjects. He only appeared in 6 subjects. So the average function correctly calculated his average based on only 6 subjects. This is because average only operates on numerical values. In typical gradebooks, teachers also need to perform various kinds of statistical calculations. Let's say a teacher wanted to find out, did the maximum number of students in the classroom appear in all 8 subjects? Or maybe they appeared in 7 subjects, or maybe the most number of students in the classroom appeared in less than 7 subjects. Fortunately, Excel has a function for that. The mode function calculates the most frequently occurring value in any given cell range. The syntax is simple enough. We write mode and then the cell range, which in this case is K2 to K13. We chose the count column for this calculation because it already contains the total number of subjects each student appeared in. A word of caution though, the mode function has been deprecated in Excel 2013. Instead, it is recommended to use 2 of its latest variants, namely mode singular and mode multiple. Mode singular is identical to this deprecated mode function, whereas mode multiple finds out multiple frequently occurring values. Median and standard deviation calculations are common in relative grading system gradebooks. Median gives the middle value in a set of values or a given cell range. The median function in Excel can be used by writing median followed by the cell range, which is B2 to B13 for subject 1. Similarly, standard deviation is the measure of how widely the values are dispersed from the average value in a given cell range. The syntax is function name followed by the cell range. For subject 1, it is B2 to B13. Just like the mode function, a word of caution here also. The standard deviation function has also been deprecated in Excel 2013. It is recommended to instead use its 2 latest variants, standard deviation sample and standard deviation entire population. Standard deviation sample is identical to this deprecated standard deviation function, whereas standard deviation entire population is used when the entire population cell range is entered. In our scenario, since the grading system is based on the marks obtained by all the students, standard deviation P is more likely to fit our scenario. So we change this to standard deviation P, and you can see that it is a bit more precise the standard deviation sample function. Flash filling for all the subjects. Thanks for watching.